I'll be showing you in today's video how to generate quality image using ChatGPT and Grok to generate your quality image, and it's for free. I said for free, no paid version. You are not paying a dime. Let's go into the video. Come into your ChatGPT and type this. Hi ChatGPT, I want you to create So this is it. Hi ChatGPT, I want you to create a quality prompt to generate a perfect photo of an African rich guy in his 30s surrounded with luxurious properties. So here is the prompt. Here is the prompt. All you have to do is to copy the prompt. Just copy the prompt. Copy it this way. Copy. Then you come to your Grok app. Here is it. If you don't have it, you go and download it. After reaching your Grok app, click on Imagine. You see at the top, you see Ask. Imagine. Click Imagine. Then all this the downside that you are seeing, type to imagine. Click it. Then you see image, you see video. We want to generate image. We will start generating video in another tutorial. So you paste the text you copy, the prompt you copy, paste it there. Then you send this arrow, click it. Then let's wait for Grok to generate his own image now. And it's going to generate it according to the prompt we gave to him. Let's wait for the result. Please like and subscribe. Okay. Now you can see all the results. See all the results that Grok has generated for us. So it's already showing us that this guy is rich and is surrounded with luxury properties. Hope you can see. Those cars, are they not expensive? That is just how to do it. You can see all these cars, luxury things surrounded around this guy. This is amazing, and you can do it for free. If you want to know how to turn this image into video, you let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.